Welcome back to the Automotive News Channel, where we bring you the latest car reviews and industry insights. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the all-new 2025 Mercedes CLE, the latest addition to Mercedes-Benz's lineup that combines the elegance of a coupe with modern technology and powerful performance. The CLE replaces both the C-Class and E-Class coupes, offering the perfect balance of luxury, athleticism, and innovation. Let's start by breaking down the 2025 Mercedes CLE's design, a true testament to modern luxury. The front of the 2025 Mercedes CLE is a statement of elegance and power. It features a wide and low stance, accentuated by the iconic Mercedes-Benz grille with a large, centered star. The grille has a diamond-patterned mesh that adds a touch of sophistication, while the chrome accents around it give it a premium feel. The LED headlights are sleek and aggressive, offering a sharp, angular look that aligns with the CLE's sporty character. These digital light headlamps adapt automatically to various lighting conditions, enhancing visibility while giving the front fascia a futuristic flair. From the side, the 2025 Mercedes CLE boasts a streamlined, coupe-like silhouette with smooth flowing lines that emphasize its dynamic nature. The long hood and sloping roofline give it a sporty yet elegant profile, while the slightly flared wheel arches house stunning 19-inch alloy wheels as standard, with optional 20-inch wheels for those seeking a more aggressive stance. At the rear, the 2025 Mercedes CLE continues its sporty and luxurious theme, with LED taillights that wrap around the corners, giving the car a wider and more planted look. The taillights feature a distinctive light signature that's easily recognizable at night. The sculpted rear bumper integrates dual exhaust outlets, adding to the coupe's sporty character. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes CLE offers a range of powerful and efficient engines. The base model is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth and responsive shifts, making it ideal for both daily driving and spirited driving on the open road. For those seeking more power, Mercedes offers a 3.0-liter inline-6 engine with mild hybrid technology, generating an impressive 362 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This engine delivers exhilarating acceleration, with the mild hybrid system providing additional torque for quick bursts of power when needed. The 48-volt hybrid system also improves fuel efficiency and smooths out the stop-start functionality. Thank you for tuning in to the Automotive News Channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews and the latest in automotive news.